Seafarer tax disruption 335. We see how Estonia, thank you very much indeed, declare zero tax for the flag and the seafarers, just in case someone forgot about the flag, because sometimes we have these incompetent Estones generating inquisition, bureaucracy and fines for the flag papers. PPP, please pass the paper. Very typical, very typical. Many countries, they have nothing to do, these government workers, and they just put these obligations to fill up these documents. If you don't do that on time, then you're going to get a fine and so on. Therefore, it is critical to have zero flag and zero seafarer tax. Then we have Lithuania. Then it has a huge tax advantages within European Union. So it discriminates to Spain and Italian seafarers and German and French seafarers. Why do we have discriminations in Europe? Then why not just think one day, dear governments, and then do we need a strategic maritime shipping? Yes, of course. During COVID, we saw how strategic it was. Today, we see how it is really a weapon to provide the basic needs of humans, and it must be always ecological, environmental, social governance, corporate social responsible, and transparent. Therefore, if we are going to put, like in India, this tax, in Philippines, there is a huge taxes for the payroll. It's about 15% of the wage by the government. Yes, that's why some, like India, are using, okay, I will put just 5%, and then everybody's thinking about that. Why don't we stop governments think about that, please? Because they are stones. They know nothing about nothing. Leave it alone. Therefore, thank you very much, Estonia, for the flag and the seafarers, zero tax. Could we have the rest of the countries, please, same thing? Because then we're not discriminating either flag or seafarers, and we are making simpler the maritime transport, which we need for insulin, for school tables, for computers. Global transport, maritime is strategic. Please stop interfering there and just have this global IMO and so on, transparent, please, for everybody. Same, no discriminations, no conflicts of interest. Thank you, bye.